Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by going into an app called Photos and clicking Allow or Don't Allow in a Notifications pop-up. Then choose Do Not Backup or Turn on Backup. And finally, just hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple ones right away, tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some of them that you wish to keep, just click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, click on Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. As you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!